Hi, me, back again. Today I've got an unboxing, which to be honest, I'm really not sure when you're going to see it, because this is for the CZT alumni event, which is done by 7 Forests, 5 Rivers. And this has arrived today all the way from Singapore. And I think the event actually starts in September, or maybe October. I'll find out in a minute. And I think we're not meant to share the contents of the box until near the time. Oh, no, I was right, it was September. Which means I've still got 2 or 3 projects from last year's Artifacts Eruditio to complete. These are classes that are done by certified zentangle teachers from all across the world, and inside the box you have all the materials that you need in order to do each class. Each class comes with a video, sometimes a couple of videos, really good instructions, and downloadable photographs of the products. As qualified CZT people, it's all escaping. As qualified CZTs, we are allowed to use the classes as long as we credit the original person that put the class together. So if we're teaching people CZT classes, we can use the resources there. And this is this year's pin. These are always lovely. So they're only tiny, but very, very lovely. Then we get some Lindy's Magicals, sorry. These are watercolour pigment powders that are shiny when you paint with them, and lots of different colours. I don't know, just by looking at them I've no idea what colours they are. And then we have all of the zentangle tiles that we will need. So we're clearly going to be doing some zendalas. That size is the larger apprentice tile. Just realised we usually get their own brand ones, but we haven't this year. Some zendalas, some fire tiles, and by the looks of it, we've got grey, got the tan, we've got a black, and we've got some white. Then we have the 3Z tiles. These are lovely because you can do one pattern and then rotate it, and you get different ways that they turn out as patterns. So we've got some white and we've got some tan. These are the bijou tiles, and we've got black, tan, grey and white. These are quite fiddly to work on because there's my thumb look, but they are fun and quick to do as well. Then we've got some of these nice new translucence tiles, and these do have the little zentangle logo in the bottom. Got a couple of those. Oh, and we've got some, oh no, I haven't got any of these. We've got some translucence zendalas, so that'll be fun as well. This is the postcard. It usually has a welcoming message. This is the 7 Forests, 5 Rivers studio. Lovely, lovely group of people. I've only met them online, but lovely people, very helpful. Oh, let's save this for a little minute. Might have to edit that bit out because that looks like it's one of those codes. So I will edit that little bit out, but there's a QR code on the other side of this. This is a lovely art piece. Again, absolutely beautiful. They have a wonderful Instagram page, and they run weekly classes online, weekly lives. so you can join in. We've got some multi-use little labels, and then we've got some more of the large tiles, and this is what I mean by the own brand 7 Forests 5 Rivers tiles. These are bigger than the normal square tile. Oh, just realised we haven't got any square tiles from Zentangle. We've got square tiles from 7 Forests 5 Rivers, and this is a Zentangle official tile, just so you can see the difference in size. These 7 Forests 5 Rivers ones are nice to work on because you've got that much more space. So sometimes they take a bit longer, but they're still good fun. And then in here will be the pens and everything. I'm going to cut this off. I don't cut when I stick it in the label. Ooh. So let's do this slowly. So we've got a Pentel pen. It's a sign pen. We just get a piece of paper. I'm just going to use this one I used in the last video. Okay, so it's a kind of a dark grey colour. Probably can't see that too well, but no, it writes nicely. And then, oh, we've got a glaze. I do like these, however, sometimes the nibs get dried up, so you have to play around at getting them unstuck. Then we've got a black glaze pen. What are nice about these glaze pens, especially the clear one, is you can do a design on it, on your tile, and then you can paint over it with watercolour or with markers, and the design sticks out because you've still got the white paper underneath. And the same with this black glaze one. And they leave a little bit of a ridge, but not too much. Ooh, Pentel roller for fabric. No smudge, no smear, waterproof pigment ink. That'll be fun to play with. Although I don't think we've got any fabric in here, although I don't know what's in this other packet. Then we've got a blue PN. These are the plastic nibs. They don't bend as easily, and they're slightly thicker than the 01. Oh, nice. Then we've got a pigment 12. Look at that chunky monkey. Very nice. Nice thick lines you'll get with that one. It's always fun to try and guess what kind of projects you'll end up doing as well. Then we've got a Sakura Koi colouring brush pen in blue. Oh, this is steel blue to be precise. Nice colour. And they have kind of like a brush nib. Very nice. So there's a bit of a blue theme here actually. And then, oh, my last video was the dual metallic pens. Just see if I've got one here. Yeah, I've got them here. So these are Pentel as well. These were the pens that I swatched in a previous video. But this one is a dual metallic brush with pink and metallic pink. Ooh. Gonna have to try this one. Oh, this looks quite interesting. I better read the back to see how we use it. So, brush with pigment, glitter and dye ink. Colour changes shade at different angles. Works well on both light and dark colour paper. Perfect for brush lettering and decorations. Features high quality nylon bristles and a rear push system to control the flow of ink. Before use, shake well before use. Press the button at the end of the pen until the ink flows to the tip. If the ink colour fades, press the button several times to recharge. Cap after use and store in a horizontal position. Always important to know how to store these pens. Sudden changes in atmospheric pressure or temperature may cause the ink to leak. Maybe not good on an aeroplane then. So what did it say again? Memory of a sieve today. Shake well before use. Press the button at the end until the ink flows to the tip. So I guess I better see it. Oh, nice little tip. Let's see. I've done 2, 3, 4. Oh, you can see it's coming through already. Can you see that? This feels quite stiff. I don't know if it'll... Oh, got some on my finger. That is very pink. Oh, look, it's coming through on that side. Let's just do it on the back of here. Pink, pink, pink. Oh my goodness me. Look how pink that is. No, there's no smell. Can you see how pink that is? I think you're going to have to be careful because it obviously takes a few minutes to dry. Where's that black? Here's the black tile I was using for that other one. Let's see what it looks like on here. Oh, it's absorbing into the paper. Not that that's a bad thing, but it is going quite pale pink in comparison to that metallic red one that I had. And when you compare it to how it looks on white, very different. Ooh, yummy. I wonder what we'll be doing with these. I'm going to put this in my... I won't put it there yet, but I've got a horizontal pen storer. It's like good to check in the packet and put everything out of there. And that just leaves this one. It's got a lovely little label there. Each year we get a nice gift. The first year we got a 3-way phone charger with 3, so it was in a cable type disc thing, and it had 3 different cable ends on it. Oh, this is a very nice tote bag. Oh, very nice tote bag. Where's it gone? Gel roller for fabric. Oh, I wonder if we're decorating our bags. If we are, that will probably be the first project that I do. Anyway, so much fun in that bag. So there's everything that we got. Where's my little pin badge gone? Oh, there it is. So that's the bring up again. The CZT Artifacts Erudicio 2023, which starts in February. Not February, September. So I'm not sure when you'll see this video, but thanks very much for watching. Cheerio.